Welcome home to Suite 107 at 1549 Kitchener Street at Dharma Digs. Perfectly situated in the heart of Commercial Drive, this garden-level suite is nicely equipped with a spacious living room and dining room with wood flooring throughout, and features an incredible 300 square foot private patio ideal for creating a spectacular garden or for simply lounging and enjoying the peaceful setting. There are 2 generous-sized bedrooms with plenty of closet space, and there is in-suite storage, shared laundry on the same floor, and secured underground parking. The cozy kitchen has everything you need to make your beautiful meals. Dharma Digs is in a lovely neighborhood, only a few-minute walk to Commercial Drive's vibrant cafes, restaurants, and markets.